do if your fiance break up with you to marry your best friend?
I'm going to kill the guy at the end of the day. I will do him bad. He's going to regret that he left me. Yes, now. Why will he left me when we are about to marry?
It not be me, no talk like saying I'm maybe this.
No, it's not that. It's not a very. Look, think about it. When you already plan your engagement, everything.
Yes.
Before you even plan is going, supposed to have told you that you are not interested. The place of you already plan everything. Everybody don't know about it. It's a very bad thing to do now.
Inside Bob Marley and the Michael Jackson, who you prefer?
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Yeah.
Which of his song you go sing for us?
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. A personal person to me. Yeah.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.